Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, and the next one is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Exactly. The next one is numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Now we're writing alphabets and numbers. Dark pink color, sky blue color, silver color, kids. The next one is dark green color, purple color, brown color, light pink color, blue color, and the next one is orange color, the color of orange, white color, red color, yellow color. The next one is black color, and the last one is exactly light green color. Now we're writing alphabets and numbers.
Ang ibigay ko